Today we're comparing two Linux distributions that serve very different purposes, Bazzite and Linux Mint. Let's start with Bazzite. This distro is built on Fedora Atomic and is designed mainly for gamers and power users. It comes with Steam pre-installed, supports Flatpaks by default, and has great GPU driver integration out of the box. Since it is Atomic, updates are handled in a more stable, rollback-friendly way. Basically, if you want a modern, gaming-focused Linux experience with minimal setup, Bazzite is a strong choice. On the other hand, we have Linux Mint, one of the most beginner-friendly Linux distros. Based on Ubuntu, it focuses on stability, simplicity, and ease of use. Mint comes with familiar desktop environments like Cinnamon, Mate, and XFCE. Plus, lots of everyday apps pre-installed. It's not geared specifically toward gaming, but it's excellent for people switching from Windows and just want a smooth, reliable system.